Pittsburghers are really serious about their neighborhoods. Pittsburgh's a city where folks are relatively independent and isolated and disconnected. Look at the Meadow Street Bridge that connects Larimer to Highland Park. It's an 800-foot bridge, and that 800-foot represents a more than 20-year life expectancy. Highland Park has robust tree cover, there are speed bumps, there are playgrounds, walkable communities. Larimer has none of that. How do you serve that? How do you think about change when people are not being heard or seen in the government's response? I'm Jamil Bey. I am the Director of City Planning in Pittsburgh. I'm one of the charter members of the Black Equity Coalition. Our health equity goal from the Black Equity Coalition is that everyone has access fully to be as healthy as they can be in a just and fair way, that people's health outcomes are not determined by their neighborhood.
My name is Ruth Howes. I am the Community Engagement Manager for the Black Equity Coalition. Pittsburgh is, first of all, I was born and raised here. I love Pittsburgh. Most of my family is here. Several generations, at least 5. I believe in something because my heart is here.
This project is a part of the Made for Health Justice initiative, now in its 2nd year. As a part of this project, we created the Community Data Justice Collaborative. 16 residents diverse in race, age, gender, and sexual orientation have stepped into a groundbreaking civic role, shaping how the city governs and uses data. We've extended this approach through the Neighborhood Power Building Initiative, in partnership with the Larimer Consensus Group. Community members in Larimer are using data to make changes right where they live, around things that affect their social determinants of health.
Data justice emphasizes the need for underrepresented communities to have a voice in the way that data is collected and dispersed. So often you see data being used against people instead of for the people. We're working together for the common goal of being able to positively change the way data is collected in the city of Pittsburgh. We hope neighborhoods that have historically been neglected would be positively affected by our work with the CDJC.
What we are doing is empowering people to better use data. There's tangible examples. Black people are more vulnerable to traffic accidents and pedestrian accidents.
One day, a little guy almost got hit right up there by that light post. He was running for his ball. Did the person stop? No. Traffic doesn't even look for the people. They just zoom by. Oh, you've seen it yourself.
Why is that? What's the data? What do we see? What's happening in our neighborhoods, on our streets, where the rate of cars moving, where people are crossing. The data can show us that. Okay, now we can think about and advocate for an intervention there. What can we do to alter that?
My name is Ahmed Wesley. In the community, I am a server. I serve the people, I serve the needs of those who don't have a voice. We need speed bumps. That's an important part of the fight, because I have witnessed children get hit, cars running the stop signs a lot.
When people are engaged in the conversation and have the information from the data to be informed, they're better able to advocate for policies that protect them.
If it's trust, we have to show up more. If it's accountability, we have to do better at explaining. We have to be transparent. People will be able to feel stronger about their arguments if they knew the information, if they were armed with the information that they were able to extract from a data set. And so if, just like the light bulb came on in Larimer, when we started talking about life expectancy and the difference, the years of difference between somebody across the street or across the bridge, the light bulb said, hey, wait a minute, what do they have over there that we don't have? And so I believe that once people can know the power and the information that they have, they can use it to do better. We're just getting started, and it takes a lot of work and a lot of effort. I would like to see within the next year data stewards on the ground in communities, helping them recognize how you can extract information from data, use it to improve your community, use it to improve relationships with government officials or institutions.
If we help improve one community, it improves all communities. It improves the well-being of the entire city.
That's what's needed here. Everybody needs to put their pride down.
People buy into it. We're getting a lot of response and interaction from the Community Data Justice Collaborative. They're calling us out. Have you thought about this? How do we make this happen?
They have collected the data. They have gave us the understanding of why this is important. They brought the city in. They have made a necessary step to get the ball rolling.
This is power. This is what it looks like.